Avocado has certainly risen to the top of the fruit and veg A-list, which is for a good reason. This creamy, nutritious green fruit is not only great for making guacamole, but avocado is also great in salads, on breakfast toast, in wraps, or even in desserts. It seems that almost anything can be enhanced by an avocado these days. However, there is only one problem. Avocados turn brown quite fast once cut open. In this video, I will show you the super effective way how you can mash an avocado and keep it from turning brown, even when not eaten for days. Using a sharp knife, cut around the avocado, but don't cut into the pit in the middle. Separate the two halves by twisting them in opposite directions, and using a knife or a spoon, remove the pit. Now, scoop out all the delicious and creamy flesh with the spoon and put it in the bowl. Now, we are going to deploy our first browning prevention method, which is adding a dash of lemon juice to the avocado before mashing it. Using a fork or a potato masher, mash it till it is smooth or chunky enough for your taste. If you plan to use all the mashed avocado in the next few hours, then the lemon juice would be pretty sufficient to prevent browning and keep the mashed avocado fresh and green. However, if you have some leftovers and want to use it on the following day, place it in the sealable storage box and pat it down so it is nice and smooth on the surface. Now, carefully pour a thin layer of cold water on top of the mashed avocado or guacamole. Don't worry, because of the avocado's high fat content, it won't absorb any water or make it soggy. Now, let me show you how fresh it still looks on the following day or even a few days after being left in the fridge. When you are ready to use the mashed avocado, remove it from the fridge and pour away the water on the top. Give it a quick mix, and it is ready to be used. For more tips and tricks on preventing avocados from going brown, follow the link in the description below the video to my full article about how to mash avocados and keep it from turning brown. Check it out now.